Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Muhammad Rakibuজ্জামান. Today I am very proud to present my hometown Joshore, one of the most beautiful and historical rich district of Bangladesh. Through this video, I would like to promote some of the most attractive places in Joshore that truly represent its identity and charm. Let me start with the iconic Joshore Collectorate Building. Joshore Collectorate Building is one of the oldest and most significant administrative buildings in the district. Built during British colonial period, this building represents the historical and architectural heritage of Joshore. Its classic design, large floors and spacious surrounding gives us a glimpse of the past. Now, let me move to a place that is deeply connected with Bengali literature and culture. Home of Michael Madhusudan Datta is located in Chagodari in Joshore district. He was one of the greatest poet in Bengali literature and pioneer of modern Bengali poetry. His famous epic poem Meghnad Bodh Kabya is still widely studied and respected. Chagodari is not only historically important but also naturally beautiful. This peaceful environment and nearby Kaputakko River create a calm and poetic atmosphere. Now let's talk about entertainment and modern culture in Joshore. Munihas Cinema Hall. Munihas Cinema Hall is one of the most famous and largest cinema hall in Bangladesh. For decades, it has been a center of entertainment for the people of Joshore. This cinema hall has a special place in the hearts of local people. Its large seating capacity and vibrant environment make it unique. Tourists who want to experience local culture and entertainment can visit Munihas Cinema Hall to enjoy a movie and feel the lovely atmosphere of Joshore town. Finally, I would like to introduce one of the most colorful and beautiful places in Joshore, Godkhali Flower Garden and Market. Godkhali Flower Garden and Market is often called the flower capital of Bangladesh. This place is full of colors, natural beauty. When you visit Godkhali, you will see a vast field covered with colorful flowers. It feels like walking through a rainbow. The flower market is very busy, especially in the early morning when traders buy and sell fresh flowers that are sent all over the country. In conclusion, Joshore is a district full of history, culture, entertainment and natural beauty, from the historical Joshore Collectorate Building to the literary heritage of Michael Madhusudan Datta's home, from the lively Munihas Cinema Hall to the colorful Godkhali Flower Garden. Each place tells a different story. I proudly invite everyone to visit Joshore and explore its beauty. Thank you for watching.